Mike, we gotta ask, how's the golf?
I can tell you that I've been. I took last week off. It was away on vacation with my family and that. So I came back on the weekend. I played Sunday and was a bit rusty. But I can tell you, knock on wood, we had our money game yesterday, and on 18, I chipped it in off the green and tell you, walked off with $17 in my pocket. Proud.
Let's
it
go.
was just so funny. It was hilarious.
So no, look, that's a good intro, good little break. But let's talk some business stuff.
Yeah, for sure.
So the other week, you guys announced a private placement at about $1 million. Do you guys want to go into detail about what it's for and maybe just some more info about the private placement?
Sure. No, the private placement for us is again, as our audience would, if they've been following us, know that we've been working hard on this forward flow agreement with Clearhaven as part of the fast track funding for the next few years for the company. Is that we'll have $100 million available for us for funding these fast track loans. But with all that, it's continued to develop our platform, the Marble platform, and really utilizing fintech and data science and machine learning in our ultimate goal of building the Marble score. So, we're not. We still need money to grow. Our revenues aren't enough to pay our expenses at this stage. We're getting there. We feel that we should be able to be break even and start making money by about Q2 next year. But like any startup, fintech technology company, you need money to keep the strategy alive and keep going forward. So we're raising $1 million here now and through friends and family, and it's on a non-brokered basis. And we have some of our investors participating. I'm participating as well, and some of the other board members are, and we're reaching out to some key investors, key individuals that are believers in what we're doing, and hopefully we can close this thing around the same time that we anticipate closing this Clearhaven transaction, which is about the end of the month.
Yeah, not to put anything 100%, but
no. It's a moving target, because you know what, the news release in May said we're going to close by June 15th, and then we tried for June 30th. It's just, I have to say, disappointedly so. And when lawyers get involved, man, the whole transaction slows right down. So, but we're making progress. We're getting there, and we're feeling pretty comfortable that we're on the, we're rounding third and coming home.
Good. No, I was gonna ask, what do you think is some of the cause for that? And hey, look, you kind of nailed it. Annoying lawyers, I guess.
Well, yeah, there's a lot of details, and when they're buying our existing loan book and you're putting together that consists of over 600 loans, that's a lot of documents to go through. Anybody that's going to make available $100 million is going to make sure every T's crossed and I's dotted, and really more so than that, I'm simplifying it, is them getting comfortable with doing business in a different country. They're Americans, and their whole debt management, debt structuring, insolvencies, those type of things are totally different up here than it is down there. So they're just getting comfortable with it.